Yummy melon. Or cantaloupe. Well, cantaloupe's melon.
Yeah. Cantaloupe, but she's only got two little teeth to eat it with.
Well, two little teeth is doing the job. Little teeth into it.
She's using her two tiny teeth for all they're worth.
Yep.
Scraping it down like a beaver.
Yep.
Well, instead of two uppers, she's only got two lowers. Yummy. You like cantaloupe. Yes, you do. This is the first time I've ever given her a cantaloupe slice.
It's working out well.
Yep, she knew exactly what to do with it.